Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Xinhua House is the first protected Hakka cultural zone in Taiwan. It's situated in Liujia, an important area in the development of Hsinchu's Juqian City and an insight into the farming history of the region. When the last group of residents moved out of Xinhua House in 2004, a large cleanup project was begun to restore the building to its former glory. As part of the operation, the local surroundings were also cleaned up, giving visitors a chance to see a beautiful vista of verdant paddy fields and blue rivers.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
各位聽眾朋友大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. And since Leo is here, I think it's time for him to take us around the island to places that have a lot of rich Hakka culture. Leo, 今天是不是应该跟我们介绍台湾哪一个地区呢有很好的这个客家的文化？
没有问题。今天要带大家去的地方就是这次台湾灯会的所在地，就喺新竹嘅六甲地區。
I was just there a couple of months ago. 这个 Lantern Festival 才2个多月前才这个举办的嘛。对，那个地方叫做六家，对不对？
它是竹北地区，但是跟六家其实连在一起。
Yeah, I found out about that during the Lantern Festival because the area that we're in generally is known as Zhubei, okay, the Zhubei Township. But then the Taiwan Railway just opened up a station there, and it's called the Liujia Station, which signifies that Liujia is around the area too. 所以这个所谓的六家就是在竹北，跟竹北是同一个地区或者隔壁这样子，
就是在应该是在竹北地区啦。
Okay, so this is all in 新竹哦，这算是新竹的六家地区，对不对？
新竹那个六家地区呢，有一个很有名的聚落叫做新瓦屋。
新啊，新什么东西？新瓦屋？
对，新瓦屋
啊，新瓦。对，我一直很好奇，我知道新瓦屋，可是新瓦屋就是很新的意思咯。
并不是，它倒 Q 很久了，
Q 很久了，
所以才会变成一个很有客家味道的一个聚落嘛。对
Okay, so this specific area is called 新瓦屋, which literally translates to new brick house. And I thought, okay, maybe this is a newly developed area, but no, Leo is saying it's been around for a long, long time. 很久，怎么说
？Don't Q.
All right. So let's go ahead and review these terms of how to say these townships and counties, so you know how to get there in Hakka. 我们来教大家新竹六家跟新瓦屋怎么说，好不好？
新竹六家新瓦屋。
That's the 六家 district or area, and this particular township, 新瓦屋。And go check it out. A lot of rich culture is right here with the Hakka, and that does it for today. Talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.